My dear students of class 3, good morning to everyone. Students, I know that all of you have got the study materials as well as the videos from the chapter Light, Sound and Force. And from that chapter, I have given you one worksheet. And in that worksheet, I have told you to draw the solar eclipses and the lunar eclipses. But I think it will be a little difficult for you to draw. So in this video, I am going to show you that how you can draw these solar eclipses and the lunar eclipses in a very easy way. So before drawing this thing, I just want to tell you, I just want to revise this thing, that why these solar eclipses occur. So you know that in this figure you can see that around the earth this moon is revolving in an elliptical path. So as you know that this moon is the satellite of the earth, so it revolves around the earth. And during this revolution, what happens? Once the time comes when these three, that is the sun, moon and the earth, in a straight line, and moon may come between the sun and the earth. So that time what happened? The shadow of this moon falls on the earth, and that's why some part of the earth is not visible. So that time we tell that that lunar eclipses occur. Understood? Now I am just going to show you how this solar eclipses you can draw in a very easy way. So see, at first you will simply draw this earth. Okay? From this earth, one line you will simply draw up to there in this way, and one line in this way here. Okay, understood what I said? Means draw one earth in this way, earth, and from this earth you will draw one cross line in this way, and another cross line in this way. Okay, and in between this gap you will simply draw this sun. Okay, sun, its shape should be more greater. At first you will roughly sketch, and after that you will rectify this and draw it properly. And in the middle here, it is the earth and this is the sun, and in the middle here in this portion you will simply just draw the moon here. And from the moon also you will take, you can see that from where I am taking the line, in this way it will touch the moon, and this line will again, it will reach up to there. In this way you will reach this line also there, and another line from here you will just, this cross line, it is from middle here, and it will also again it will matched here. Understood? Now what to do? Now you will adjust these lines, you will make them straight, try to make them straight, this line, make them straight, and you may adjust this one, and after that you will make this sun bigger, and after that you will colored it. So if you want, you can use scale also. Means from here this cross line, first this cross line, after that another cross line, and after that from here one cross line, and from here the another cross line. The line should be straight. So you should use the scale. And you can see, now you will understood from this figure. See, in this figure, this is the earth. From the earth, I have drawn this line up to there and another line up to there. Then in the middle, it is the moon. It comes in the middle. So from here, one line you will draw in this way, another line in this way. And you can see that this portion this portion of the moon is itself black, and this portion is completely dark portion. This portion is completely dark portion, this one. And this portion is shaded, but it is not completely dark. And this portion is completely dark. You have to make this portion completely dark. So hope you have understood how to draw these solar eclipses.